Hello, my name is Tommy, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove the annoying beep sound when you have your car door open, seatbelt unlocked, and so on. Let's go. So first, when doing electrical stuff on your car, first disconnect the battery, and I start with the negative terminal because the energy flows from higher potential to lower potential, so you will get less sparks if you connect the minus first, negative, and after that the positive. So now we have the battery disconnected. Now we can move inside the car to remove the instrument panel. So first you need to locate where the sound is coming from. On this car it's coming behind the instrument panel. So next thing we do is remove the instrument panel. Next you want a flathead screwdriver or something small. Remove little clips, plastic clips. Next, pull the plastic cover to remove it. Next, you want to use some kind of towel or cloth to protect the steering wheel and the instrument panel screen. Remove the two Phillips head screws on top of the instrument panel. When you have removed the two screws, put them aside. Take the instrument panel and pull it towards you. Now, to remove connector, press, take it off. Next, we need to remove some screws. Take the cover off, and there is your little speaker kind of thing. Now there is different ways to fix this. So you can put something that's noise insulating material on top of it, or the other way is to remove the metal plate. Plastic cover you can leave or take off too. So here is the metal plate. So here are the two pins. They are conducting electricity on this plate, and this is making the noise. You can remove this whole plastic thing completely, or if you want to be gentle, you need to pop out the top cover first and then take the plate off and put the top cover back on. So now, after we have removed the metal plate, we put everything back together in reverse order and test that the sound is gone. Let's connect the battery back on. To avoid any sparks, first connect the positive lead. And last, connect the negative lead. And as you can see, no sparks. Let's test if we succeeded. And the doors are open, and as you can hear, no more annoying noise. And the best thing is, you can always put the metal plate back on if you ever want to hear the annoying noise again.